continues on WNIJ.
My middle name is my father's name, too. Neil W. McCabe is...
Don't even know your power. I stand.
Going out of business side. All were unable to withstand the tumult.
Great for parties, it's not.
Yeah, great for parties. You can cheer somebody up. I have dozens.
Call 1-800-312-9970. Our new start program.
Try Chabela. For lunch?
Easy, sugar, but your position here has been made redundant.
First time art students,
All right. 815-827 the year.
and confidence will also be present.
544-2352. That's 1-800.
Suficiente para mí para romper nuestra...
Cents for 24 30-day payments plus any taxes and fees.
Way to Our Lady in the 30 years. Well, she had 30 years to focus on what was right in front of her, which was...
My favorite song. So.
Yeah, Don McLean.
Yes.
This exhibition will feature collage, a sculpture, embracing one of Pope Francis's cherished principles, feeding the hungry. Yesterday.
NMLS number 411500.
Dr. Timothy Goodwin here. If you want a flatter belly and have it...
At 800-621-7405. 800...
Bartenders at risk.
Blinds.com's 100% satisfaction guarantee. Show. My theme.
One of the things that always kind of strikes me about Franz Joseph Haydn is his consistency.